Hello everyone, welcome to Control Technology. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use ChatGPT for quick meal ideas. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Control Technology. So let's get started. So you know that ChatGPT can be a great tool for coming up with meal ideas quickly. Whether you are looking for something simple, healthy, or new to try. Here I'm gonna show you some points with example prompt. Number 1. Specify dietary preference or restrictions. To get tailored meal ideas, mention your dietary needs. So I'm giving you with example prompt. Give me 5 quick and easy gluten-free dinner ideas. So this prompt ensures that the meal ideas meet your dietary restrictions, helping you save time and effort without compromising on your needs. Number 2. Ask for meals based on available ingredients. If you are trying to use up ingredients in your pantry or fridge, ask ChatGPT for meal ideas based on what you already have. Example prompt: what can I make for dinner with chicken, broccoli, and rice? So this is your result. This prompt helps you come up with creative meal ideas that utilize the ingredients you already have at home, reducing food waste and making cooking more efficient. And the last one, number 3. Request for quick and easy meal ideas. If you are short on time, specify that you need quick a simple meal that can be prepared in 3 minutes or less. Example prompt: give me 3 30-minute dinner recipes that are easy to prepare. Your result is ready. By specifying the time limit, this prompt ensures that you receive meal ideas that are not only simple but can be made quickly, making meal prepare less stressful. So this is how to use ChatGPT for quick meal ideas. I hope you like this video. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.